Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wear step dupatta like a pro in just 2 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to see all my upcoming latest videos first. And it's completely free of cost. First of all, you need chiffon dupatta. This dupatta is also known as chunni. First, place dupatta on your shoulders as normally you wear it. Now mark points on both sides of your shoulders with the help of fingers. Now hold these 2 points properly and start wrapping your dupatta. See, I'm slowly showing you. Please follow these steps. Just practice it once and you will definitely get it. See, now slowly place the dupatta on your shoulders. Now I am placing my dupatta on my shoulders very carefully without disturbing the pleats. For this you need safety pins. Adjust the pleats and then secure it with the help of safety pin. I am adjusting my pleats like this. And now I am going to secure it with the help of safety pin. So I'm done pinning it on one side of my shoulder, and similarly do it on the other side. Repeat the same steps. Adjust the pleats and then pin it. It's very tough job for me to pleat it on my right side. It takes some time for me, and finally I have pinned my other side also. Now finally I am just adjusting all my pleats like this. Yes, finally I'm done. So this is how you can pleat your dupatta just like a pro. Hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and for more interesting updates, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So until next video, take care. Bye bye.